Prince William, who's set to marry Kate Middleton in less than a month, has decided to break with modern tradition and not wear a wedding band. With me now to discuss this and other stories in the news are comedian J.B. Smoove, Jay Thomas, actor and Sirius XM radio host, and Leslie Zemeckis, writer, producer, and director of Behind the Burly Q. So, Jay.
Yes.
Isn't it always suspicious when a man doesn't want to wear a wedding band?
I think he's just like his mother.
Which means?
She didn't wear a seatbelt. So,
Oh, man.
you can have that for the night if you want. You can, because I can't use it after this, okay? Yeah, it's suspicious. I think the whole marriage stinks. It's too much. It's about the marriage. It's about the woman. He's not even in the thing. It's like the typical lost groom. Yeah, I don't think they'll make it. I really don't.
Yeah,
No.
that's your prediction, Leslie?
Why does he need a ring? I mean, obviously, everybody's going to know he's married. She's the only one it matters. You know, she should get the big nasty, and that's all that matters.
Well, that's what I said. Who's not going to know he's married? He doesn't need a wedding band to advertise his marriage.
Yeah, everybody's going to know.
Prince.
Right.
It's a prince. When you are a prince, certain people don't need to wear rings, first of all. Princes, kings, and pimps. Those three guys are like excluded from wearing rings. They don't have to wear rings.
They're all on the
they're
same
running
level.
things.
They're all on the same level.
You're running things, you don't have to wear a ring.
But you know what? If you're doing traditional stuff, like he's going to be the king and she might be the queen, if you're doing all that traditional stuff, the ring, since, for 1,000 years, especially in England, has meant a bond, and they've used it as a signature and everything else. I don't know why this guy isn't wearing a ring. It's really odd. His dad hides his.
He's going back to royal tradition. Charles wore a wedding band,
Right. Wow.
but before that, apparently royals didn't necessarily wear.
And they're
Wedding
a little
rings.
non-traditional, just the fact that like her family's paying for so much and they as a couple are paying. I think they're trying to be a little more modern.
For,
Like a gown. Better than nothing.
And King Henry VIII had a lipstick ring around his penis.
It was the rainbow. You know about that
Yes,
thing where the
yes,
different girls
yes.
come?
God can't wear a ring. First of all, everybody knows that Snoop Dogg is doing a wedding party. He can't wear a ring around Snoop Dogg. Are you kidding me?
He's got to be cool.
You gotta be cool around Snoop Dogg. You can't have a ring on his finger.
Well, I said don't try to use that as your argument. Well, Prince William doesn't wear a wedding ring. It's not going to wash in your home.
That we're talking about it is the saddest thing.
I know. That is so.
What were we doing if we weren't doing this?
My wife is getting her Princess Di plates out right now.
Moving on, tennis pro David Ferrer lost his cool during a quarterfinal match in Miami and lobbed a ball towards a crying baby in the stands. Jay, come on. You can't do this. Even though the ball did not come near the baby. What's up with that? I mean, it's inappropriate, of course, for the baby to be at the tennis match and crying, but...
Look at this idiot. Look at that. Look at that. Well, good thing it wasn't, bowling. Look, people take children to inappropriate places all the time.
Yes.
And I see them at the movies, at the theater, and I've complained, and they've said, well, we have every right. If you can't afford a babysitter, and if you can't have people that'll take care of your kids, you need to go out. Don't have them.
Okay, what about babies on planes?
Don't do that.
Oh, God, get their own plane. God, who doesn't hate a baby on a plane?
Driving with my kids to a restaurant, he's screaming in the back, and I said to my wife, we are not going out to dinner, not kidding you, ever again until this little SOB straightens up. And we didn't take him to dinner again for 3 years.
When I was growing up, the car would just turn around and go home.
Absolutely.
You didn't subject other
You
people
didn't
to
bring
that.
your child anywhere. You know what? But the good thing about it is the guy sent the warning shot out.
That's
You know what I mean? It wasn't like he just went straight for the baby's head. He said, you know what?
Okay, so he was...
We all did a warning shot on an airplane. We'll clear our throat.
They should have had the baby back here. If you're yelling at a tennis tournament, they'll come and get you and take you out.
You can't make noise. They're shushing people before they start playing.
Why would you take a kid,
Not a
little
kid, a baby.
A baby,
to a tennis
yes.
tournament?
Well, I
What a
see babies
fool.
in horror films. There's just the most
go
inappropriate
all the time.
places.
Yeah,
all the time.
Restaurants. The baby is not going to enjoy
And you're
being
not gonna enjoy it, and
crammed
nobody
into a
is.
chair and on the floor for 2 hours
No.
while you have dinner.
No.
That's why you got to give your baby a little shot of brandy in the bottle.
Yeah.
Right? Give them a little sleep and they'll go
Exactly.
to sleep. Not a lot. Not a lot, people.
Benadryl.
Just a little teeny bit.
Do you have more parenting tips like that?
Benadryl works, but brandy is a little more fast.
Well, I remember when the plane was
Benadryl can backfire because it can make them hyper.
on the other way.
That's right.
When the plane
Brandy
was
knocks
taking
them
off,
out.
I would say to my wife, "Hey, it looks like he's got a little cold," and we'd pour that Benadryl in him.
Brandy's good for a cold too.
Yes,
Everybody
it
knows
is.
brandy's
Right.
good for a cold.
Yeah, brandy,
So
the good old
brandy-
Rub
fashioned.
brandy on it.
everything.
Yeah.
Rub some
Brandy-
brandy on a baby's chest. I'm
We're
telling you.
learning something here today.
Yes.
Brandy takes care of everything.
That's down south stuff right there. That's how they do it down south.
Next
Shot
up,
of
you've
brandy.
heard of Rebecca Black. She's the 13-year-old girl who became a viral sensation with her song Friday. Well, Miley Cyrus is slamming the teen sensation, saying, "It should be harder to be an artist. You shouldn't just be able to put a song on YouTube and go out on tour." JB,
It is
what's
harder.
going on here?
Of course it's harder. You got to get people to log on. You know, there's a lot of computers out there that got to log on. Of course it's harder. But don't knock someone's hustle, ever. Miley, don't knock anyone's hustle, okay?
Well,
Let her do it. Yeah.
shouldn't it be harder than having your dad already in show business and being able to walk into the
You know how
Disney
easy it was for
studios?
her? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I mean,
It should be harder for everybody, but that's the world we live in.
And the world of
And
life
it's
is
like,
not fair.
too bad. Yeah.
Nothing's
but
gonna
why
happen
is she
to
all
Rebecca
upset?
Black.
She's had
Yeah.
a good life, a good
Rebecca
run.
Black won't make a penny. I read the other day that maybe she made 40 grand. They've had
That's a lot for her. How old is she? 13?
Yeah.
but 65 million hits, and maybe she made 40 grand off of iTunes. The song is terrible. We know it's sad. I think probably a publicist said that Miley, you need to say something.
Well, why would they?
I think that was
so-
warranted.
What idiots? Yeah.
It's ridiculous. There's enough for everybody to have their
enough.
success.
Sure.
And if it lasts,
Justin
it lasts. If it
Bieber
doesn't,
was
yes.
made by YouTube.
Yeah.
So
Right.
it is a place for people to be discovered. He's a very talented young man. So
We've all been on YouTube and nothing's happened.
I got 8,000 hits. I'm
Exactly.
trying. Like, what
Can't
happens?
hate.
I would have told
start
this
singing
16-year-old.
that song. More pop culture when we come back.
Next week on The Joy Behar Show, it's Women's Week. Joy is back from vacation to talk with Kate Gosselin, Star Jones, Eva Longoria, Sherry Shepard, and Caroline Kennedy.